Many individuals concentrate primarily on weight reduction while seeking to enhance their body. They walk on the scale every day, expecting to see a lower number and feel dismayed when it doesn't alter as predicted. However, concentrating exclusively on the number on the scale might be deceiving. The scale doesn't discriminate between fat loss, muscle increase, or water retention. It doesn't convey the complete picture regarding what's occurring within your body. You can be reducing fat but growing muscle, which might keep the scale number stable or even raise it. This is where knowing body composition becomes vital. Body composition analysis gives a better view of your health and fitness development. Body composition refers to the percentage of fat mass and lean mass in your body. Lean mass contains everything that isn't fat, such as muscles, bones, organs, and fluids. Lean mass contains muscle, bones, organs, and water. Maintaining or developing lean mass is vital for a robust, functioning body. When you begin on a fat reduction journey, your objective should be to shed fat while keeping as much muscle mass as possible. This ensures that your body stays robust and functioning. This method leads to a healthier, more toned, and physically beautiful body. You'll not only look better, but also feel stronger and more energetic. Tracking body composition gives vital insights into your development beyond weight swings. It helps you comprehend the changes occurring in your body. It helps assess whether you're losing fat, growing muscle, or both. This knowledge is vital for making educated choices regarding your fitness path. This information helps you to make required modifications to your diet, transcribed and workout routine for best outcomes. You may adjust your strategy to guarantee you're on the correct road. By addressing body composition, you change your attention from just decreasing your body to reshaping it. This thinking adjustment may lead to more durable and rewarding outcomes. It's about establishing a healthier and more sustainable body composition for the long term. Embrace the path of change and appreciate the improvements you make along the way. While the scale may be a good tool for tracking general weight fluctuations, it doesn't tell the entire picture. It's crucial to adopt more precise techniques for assessing body composition to gain a better picture of your health and fitness. Several tools may give significant insights on your development, each giving distinct advantages and viewpoints. One regularly used equipment is the skinfold caliper, which has been a standard in fitness examinations for decades. This instrument assesses the thickness of subcutaneous fat, or fat beneath the skin, at several body regions, giving a hands-on method to studying fat distribution. By adding these measures into a formula, you may estimate your body fat percent, giving you a concrete statistic to watch over time. Another generally accessible approach is bioelectrical impedance analysis, or BIA, which has gained prominence for its simplicity of use. BIA devices transmit a weak electrical current through your body, measuring the resistance it encounters. The speed at which the current flows offers an indication of your body fat percentage, since fat tissue conducts electricity differently from lean tissue, delivering a rapid and non-invasive examination. More advanced technologies like DEXA or dual energy X-ray absorptiometry scans give very accurate body composition measurements typically employed in clinical settings. DEXA scans employ low-dosage X-rays to discern between bone, fat, and muscle tissue, offering a thorough and exact breakdown of your body composition. While DEXA scans give exact measures, they are often more costly and less accessible than calipers or BIA devices, making them less feasible for routine usage. No one approach is flawless, and each has its limits. It's crucial to grasp the strengths and disadvantages of each instrument. Using a variety of techniques and monitoring your progress over time may offer a more thorough knowledge of your body composition changes. This multidimensional approach helps you to get a wider picture of your health journey, letting you make more educated choices about your fitness and wellness objectives. Regularly measuring your body composition is vital for remaining motivated and making educated choices about your food and workout. Consistency is crucial when it comes to good body recomposition. Aim to assess your body composition at least once a week, preferably on the same day and time under identical circumstances. This helps reduce swings owing to variables like hydration levels and meal consumption. Keep a careful record of your measurements in a diary, spreadsheet, or mobile app. This enables you to visualize your progress, discover patterns, and make required modifications. Remember, development requires time and effort. Don't be disheartened by daily changes or delayed development. Focus on the overarching trend and enjoy minor triumphs along the way. Regular monitoring helps you to remain responsible, make educated choices, and recomposition journey. Nutrition has a critical role in keeping muscle mass while decreasing weight. Consuming enough protein is crucial for muscle protein synthesis, the process of growing and repairing muscle tissue. Aim to ingest 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight every day. Spread your protein intake equally throughout the day to enhance muscle protein synthesis. And incorporate lots of fruits, veggies, and whole grains into your diet. These foods include critical vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which promote general health and help regulate appetite. Generate a calorie deficit by ingesting slightly less calories than your body burns each day. This causes your body to utilize stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Avoid crash dieting or overly reducing calories. This may lead to muscle loss and metabolic changes that make it tougher to shed weight in the long term. Strength training is vital for keeping muscle mass throughout a fat reduction phase. It helps to guarantee that the weight you lose comes predominantly from from fat rather than muscle. When you lift weights, you produce small rips in your muscle fibers. This may seem detrimental, but it's really a critical aspect of the muscle growth process. Your body reacts by healing these tears, making your muscles stronger and more robust. This healing process is what leads to muscle development and enhanced strength over time. Engage in strength training activities that target key muscle groups at least 2 to 3 times each week. Consistency is crucial to noticing improvement and preserving muscle mass. Focus on complex exercises like squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses. These motions are particularly effective because they work numerous muscle groups simultaneously. These workouts work for numerous muscle groups concurrently, enhancing muscular activation. This not only assists in growing strength, but also enhances total functional fitness. Progressively stress your muscles by gradually increasing the weight, repetitions, or sets over time. This notion of gradual overload is vital for continual development. This ongoing challenge communicates to your body to maintain and grow muscular mass. Without increasing stress, your muscles will not adapt and develop. Ensure proper rest and recuperation between sessions. Rest is equally as vital as the activity itself, since it helps your muscles to recover and strengthen. Muscles require time to recover and regenerate after hard exercise sessions. Incorporate stretching and gentle recovery exercises to facilitate this process. Aim for at least 1 to 2 days of recuperation between strength training activities. This recovery interval is vital for minimizing overtraining and decreasing the chance of damage. Several frequent hazards might impair your body recomposition development. Being aware of these pitfalls and learning how to prevent them will boost your chances of success. One typical error is concentrating entirely on cardio and disregarding weight training. While cardio burns calories, it doesn't deliver the same muscle preservation advantages as strength exercise. Another problem is inconsistent tracking and modifications. Consistently checking your progress and making required alterations to your diet and exercise plan based on your findings is vital. Low protein consumption may also ruin your efforts. You're eating enough protein to sustain muscle protein synthesis and avoid muscle atrophy. Finally, be patient and reasonable with your expectations. Body recomposition requires time and work. Avoid comparing your success to others and concentrate on creating durable improvements to your lifestyle. Remember that body recomposition is a process, not a sprint. It demands patience, persistence, and a willingness to change along the way. There will be hurdles and failures, but don't let them impede your development. Focus on making steady, durable adjustments to your lifestyle rather than turning to harsh tactics or short cures. Celebrate little triumphs and recognize your efforts. Remember that development may not always be linear. There can be weeks when you observe substantial improvements and others when growth appears sluggish. Don't become disheartened. Trust the process and be consistent with your efforts. Surround yourself with a supporting network of friends, family, or online groups. Sharing your experience with others may bring inspiration, accountability, and useful insights. Mastering body composition is about altering your body from the inside out. And by concentrating on shedding fat while keeping muscle, you're not only transforming your body, but increasing your general health and well-being. Remember to focus precise monitoring, proper protein consumption, frequent strength exercise, and consistency in your efforts. Be patient, persistent, and love the journey. By adopting a comprehensive strategy that covers diet, exercise, and mentality, you may achieve sustained body recomposition results and experience a healthier, more confident self. His work is defined by its scientific rigor, clarity, and pragmatism, making complicated fitness topics accessible to everyone.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.